I've dialed in the rough stock here. It's just a piece of mild steel. I've forged it, so it's as close as I can get. It's pretty out around. It doesn't matter because this is 80 millimeters and it's going to be going to end up at 62 millimeters. That's what I've bored other pieces for. So I'm going to turn it down to 62 all the way up to the jaws and flip it around, turn the other side to 62, and then I'll part it off in the middle. I'm going to use a Sandvik CCMT 1204 12PR 4325. Pretty big nose radius, but it's a positive insert, so see how it goes. roughed it down to 62.5 millimeters now, and I've changed to the DCMT finishing insert. The part is really hot, we can touch it, but not for extended periods of time, so I'm going to let it cool down before I take the finishing pass a little or halfway. That way I can shuck that that end and rough it down and then finish the whole other side in one pass up to the parting line here. Not that it matters, but still. Dialed in the other side of the stock now, and it's running about 100 millimeter, more than good enough for this. So we'll just rough it down and finish it at 62.12, around there. I bored it to 31.1 millimeters now, so we have a little bit over 1 millimeter clearance for the threads that goes on the end of the taper. So the only thing missing on this part is the taper itself and the chamfer here. So we must set the taper attachment. There's a metal plate with the instructions here. Loosen that and loosen those clamps here so the cross slide can slide freely. It's just a matter of setting the taper. I've calculated it to 5.2 degrees. And we'll lock down this. We'll do that last, so we know where we're going to turn. We need to set the taper. We will set it so we turn that way, because we're turning on the inside, on the front side. So it's the wrong way. It's the correct way. And then we need to go to 5 and a little bit. There's no vernier or something like this on this slate, so we'll just have to guess or approximate or something. 5.2, so we are 5¼ degrees about. There we have 5. It's 5½ there, I guess. We'll just tighten this down again. There, and when we tighten this, it will slide freely and everything should work. There, now we can watch the cross slide. So I guess we'll move it to about there, because I am at the outer end of the travel now. And we'll tighten this. This job is almost finished. I just need to get the other rod from the owner and turn a proper taper on it. And then it's finished. Here's the turn pieces with the tapers inside. Taper is kind of rough, but it's mild steel, so yeah. And besides, it's going to be welded here and here, so I suppose the taper will get quite out around anyway.